Hi everyone, I'm Steph from Transfer Express, and today in this video we're talking all about customizing bags. We are talking about tote bags and backpacks, cinch sacks, lunch coolers, and everything in between that you can decorate with your heat press and heat transfers. If you have a sports team, for instance, that goes to competitions on the weekends, you can have personalized logoed team bags, even with team players' names. Great ideas here for you in this video. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel, Transfer Express is the leading supplier of digital and screen printed heat transfers for apparel printing. With 2 production facilities in Ohio and Arizona, we're able to meet the demand for our customers nationwide. Now, we're dedicated to customer service, and helping grow custom apparel businesses is our #1 priority. Everything we do is focused on making sure we send high-quality, fashionable, custom transfers on time and on budget. So why should you customize bags? Bags gives you, as a decorator, so much flexibility and gives you more opportunities to find new customers beyond the standard t-shirt. You can decorate some awesome coolers for beverages. We can go to school with lunch bags or backpacks. We can even send promotional items with company logos. And of course, fanny packs. Everyone loves a fanny pack now. Decorating with your heat transfers, so easy. Polypropylene totes for grocery bags, for promotional items. It's the best and easiest type of bag to decorate. Bags come in a bunch of different types of fabrics that you can still decorate with our screen printed or digital heat transfers. The most common fabrics, cotton and polyester, can be decorated with our Goof Proof. You can also use our Elasti Print screen printed transfers, which are a low temp transfer to apply to polypropylene tote bags. Or if you are decorating using full color logos or designs with a lot of colors, our Ultra Color line is perfect for polyester or the Ultra Color Stretch if your bag has something like nylon or different type of fabric that is uncommon. Now, unlike t-shirts, bags come in a lot of different varieties of sizes, pockets, some have straps, zippers, buttons, and seams. You can decorate all of that on your heat press using a few different accessories that I'll show you here in a minute, including a mouse pad and interchangeable platens. Now let's get started. I'm gonna decorate a polypropylene tote bag with a Elasti Print screen printed heat transfer. Now the polypropylene fabric is a low temp type of fabric that will scorch or melt at high temperatures. So you want to make sure that you're using a low temp transfer like this Elasti Print. It applies at 275 degrees. So I have my Hotronics heat press here set at 275 degrees. And I also am going to be using a mouse pad to help me raise up the print area for a flat, smooth surface. I have some thicker seams and some straps here that might get in the way of that flat surface, so I'm going to use this mouse pad here to help me along the way. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to thread the bag along that lower platen. So once I have my design all ready to go and my bag all placed, the first thing I need to do is go ahead and give it a quick pre-press. And that's on. Okay, and once the bag is ready, I can go ahead and place my transfer, making sure that it is all on that mouse pad. Now, once we have that aligned, we can go ahead and close the heat press, and Elasti Print applies for 15 seconds. Once that heat press pops up, you can go ahead and remove the bag, and this is a cold peel transfer, so we're going to allow it to cool before we peel the paper away. While that's cooling, I'll go ahead and switch my interchangeable platen so I can show you a different type of bag and a different way to get around those obstructions. So now we're going to decorate a cotton canvas duffel bag with our Goof Proof screen printed heat transfers. Now, the duffel bag, as you can see, has a lot of obstructions, meaning that it has some straps we've got zippers, we've got pockets, we've got it all going on with this bag. We can decorate it using our shirt press, but we can also make it a lot easier on ourselves, especially if we're decorating several of these at a time. We can take off this lower shirt platen and interchange it with a smaller platen. First thing I'm gonna do is unlock and lift up that platen, set it off to the side, and then we can take our smaller platen that is going to make it a lot easier to slip the bag over so we can decorate it and have a nice flat surface. So we go ahead and take our bag, open it up, thread it over the platen, and line it up nicely there. And we can go ahead and give it a nice pre-press. Once we're done pre-pressing, we can go ahead and get our transfer ready. I have our Goof Proof transfer here, and it's on a gang sheet, meaning I have a few different designs on the sheet that we can just cut off with a pair of scissors. And then with our bag ready on the heat press, we can go ahead and take our screen printed transfer with the ink side facing down. And the grid lines on the back make it so helpful to be able to align the transfer. Once it's aligned, we're gonna lock down our heat press for 4 to 6 seconds. Once that pops up, we can go ahead and take our transfer paper, peel it away. It's a hot peel for the Goof Proof transfers. And you have a nice branded duffel bag that can go with employees and be a nice promotional product tool. Now our Elasti Print transfer has had time to cool, and it's now cold to the touch, and we can go ahead and peel the paper in a smooth, even motion. If you've learned something new today about heat printing bags, click the like button below. And if you have any tips or tricks about heat printing of your own, share them in the comment section below. And subscribe to our channel because we are putting out videos every single week. I am Stephanie. This video is in the bag. Happy pressing! Bags with a company logo,
check out this bag.
What do you? This is a serious video here.
Come on, you even got the size.
Decorating
Alright,
bags.
Just gotta chill out.
And even game day at the local tailgate.
Did somebody say tailgate? Rate, comment, subscribe, and stay thirsty.